Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hajin Lee with an update for the Bitcoin dominance chart. So the BTC.D shows you the percent scale on the degree of dominance that Bitcoin has with regards to market cap compared to the totality of altcoins. Clearly, in the beginning, before the altcoins really started having the ICOs, etc., what have you, Bitcoin had pretty much 100% dominance. Soon as the altcoins and the ICOs started happening, its dominance declined. This was a 2017 alt season effect. But one thing what is very clear is how three-wave-ish this decline has been. And when you get a three-wave decline, it's corrective. So then the correction, the bear market of 2018 ensued, and of course all the altcoins got slaughtered in price, and that enabled the Bitcoin dominance for Bitcoin to rise. And since the end of 2018 to today and recent, it has attained approximately a little over 70%. What is very apparent and clear and uncanny is how three-wave-ish this rise has been. This whole chart and the structure of it belongs to the tribe of threes, the tribe of corrections, the non-impulse. Thereby, if we have an ABC, there's a W, another ABC, there's an X. The subwaves of X has it so that the B wave is a beautifully patterned ABCDE triangle, followed by an impulse sequence for C. C waves must always have 5 subwaves unless they are part of a triangle, which is usually then a 3-wave swing. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or a little more to go. Maybe 72, 73%. But it's at its terminal phase. Blue X is almost done, in my opinion. That means that the dominance percent for Bitcoin is scheduled and projected to decline. And I'm projecting that this blue wave, which will also have a 3-wave swing, just like the X, just like the B, it will have an ABC 3-wave corrective swing to the downside, will go somewhere in the low 30%. And I'm targeting specifically maybe 33%. And that's not going to happen overnight. But what could be the fundamental rationale that could drive the Bitcoin dominance percent so low once again? Could we get another alt season? I think we will, but in a very different flavor. When the institutions come in, the backed exchange is scheduled to launch on the 22nd of September or so. They will not buy anything and everything. They are not the retail buyers. They will buy only liquidity, something that titans like institutions, where their titanic pockets can get in and out of easily. And that is not something that they can do in thinly traded altcoins. Whales might do that, but not the institutional titans. They will first grab liquidity. That means that this buying behavior of institutions will generate a dichotomy, will have a binary effect. One, it'll generate a dichotomy of wanted by the institutions and unwanted by the institutions category of altcoins. To me, the wanteds will be the top 15, 10, maybe 20 altcoins, because they represent liquidity in market cap size. Now, currently, Bitcoin by itself is about $184 billion in market cap. The top 15 alts are about $62, $65 billion in market cap. After the buying frenzy of the institutional Titanics, what I'm projecting is, even though Bitcoin standalone may hit $1 trillion, I think the totality of the 15 altcoins could well exceed the standalone market cap of Bitcoin. The totality of the top 15 alts will likely be 3x that of the standalone market cap of Bitcoin alone. And when institutions buy, they don't buy to actively day trade. You can't day trade their volumes. You can't easily and actively go in and out in the volumes that they buy. So institution titans, they buy to usually hold. Thereby, this ratio will likely not be a very temporary ratio, but probably stabilize. From maybe 30%, it'll go to maybe stabilize into 45, 40%, maybe 50-50. This is the kind of analysis that is early presented on hedging.com. This is the kind of analysis that is presented daily, Saturdays and Sundays, for both silver and gold members on hedging.com. If you find this kind of critical thinking analysis helpful, please do consider joining our subscription members. Have a great day.